We're going to talk about in information gathering, what is information gathering, who is an hacker and types, attack privilege escalation and thus that is denial of service. What is penetration testing? What is ping and how does it work? Then subdomain enumeration and how it works. So information gathering is a process where you follow a series of steps to conduct research and answer questions or resolve a problem. Information gathering is also the process and tools designed and deployed to protect sensitive business information from modification, disruption, and destruction. Now, it has a deep root in the underground hacking scheme, which still looks at a computer system with curiosity, trying to figure out new ways to use and break them. So it's also the process of protecting information, mitigating information risk. Now, who is an hacker? An hacker is someone who possesses an advanced level of knowledge about computers and uses it to exploit the security vulnerabilities of computer system or networks. An hacker can also be referred to as people who understand how a system works rather than just using it. These people are curious, highly intelligent, and strongly motivated to knowledge. Now we have two types of hackers. You have the white hat hackers and the black hat hackers. Now the white hat hackers, they are professional penetration or ethical hacker who performs authorized attacks against the system with the purpose of causing damage or gaining profit. While the black hat hackers are the ones who are not authorized or unauthorized attacks against the system with the purpose of causing damage or gaining profit. So what is an attack? An attack is a kind of action aimed at misusing or taking control over a computer system or application. Then, where can we, examples of some attacks are getting unauthorized access to an administration area, stealing a user's password, causing denial of service, is dropping on communications. Then we have denial of service. A denial of service, a malicious user makes a system or a service unavailable to attack unavailable. The attack can be carried out by making the service crash or by saturating the service resources, thus making it unresponsive to legitimate users. We have share code. Share code, it is a piece of custom code which provides the attacker a shell on a victim's machine. What is penetration testing? A penetration tester or a pen tester is a are professionals who are hired to simulate a hacking attack against a network, computer system, a web application, or entire organization. A ping stands for a packet internet or in, 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 internetwork grouper is a basic internet program that allows a user to test and verify a particular destination IP address exists and can accept requests in a computer. And how it works by sending a request to a specified interface or a network and waiting for a reply. When a ping is issued, a ping signal is sent to a specified address. When the target host receives the request, it responds by sending a packet. It's just like saying you send a child on an errand now. Now you sending this child on an errand, like you sending the child on an errand to get you something. The child goes on that errand, and what you're expecting from the child now is whatever you send the child. If it's biscuit, you send the child on an errand. That is that is what is called the packet. So the child is going to come back with that biscuit to you or alongside with your change, if at all this change remaining. And I'm going to demonstrate this ping now on my Kali. So if the syntax of writing a ping is ping, so let me see, I want to I want to ping Google now, for example. So www.google.com and I press enter. So as you can see now, it's sending a request and It's trying to also respond to the packets. So all these things calculating now is being the packet that is trying to calculate. So we have subdomain enumeration. It is the process of identify all the subdomains for a given domain. And the syntax is sublist 3L dash D. Then you put in whatever web address you want. So I have who is whois.com. So on whois.com, I can be able to get the domain and the subdomain of whatever web address I impute. So let's say I want to impute www.facebook.com. So now it has given me all the domain, all the information about Facebook. And yeah, this is the raw whois data of all the information about Facebook you need. Thank you.